Welcome to Chapter 1, Introduction to Chat GPT. Under this section, we are going to look at that, what is Chat GPT. Then we are going to discuss about what are the features and capabilities of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users. Then we are going to look at that, the limitation of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users. And the final part, we are going to discuss about Chat GPT account types. The first part, we are going to look at that, what is Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a chatbot. It means that if you have any kind of question, you can ask to Chat GPT, then it will give the reply to you, right? For an example, if you have a Microsoft Excel related formulas and function problem, you can ask to Chat GPT and it will reply to you, right? For an example, how can we use the sum function in Microsoft Excel? If you ask such a kind of question, and it will reply how to use the sum function and what are the parameters consist the particular function, and step by step it will reply you, right? And you can see that Chat GPT is a chatbot. It launched by OpenAI on 13th of November 2022. Chat GPT is an AI language. It means that artificial intelligent language model developed by the OpenAI. A conversational robot capable of understanding question and answering them in a natural language, and it can work on multiple languages, right? So this is the Chat GPT. Now we are going to look at that, the features and capabilities of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users. If you look at the features and capabilities of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users, you can see that there are 7 benefits or 7 advantages you are able to get if you use the Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel, right? The first one is explaining complex Excel function and formulas, right? So if you have a problem or if you have a doubt about the complex Excel function, you can ask the Chat GPT and it will give the answer to you, right? How to use that particular function or how to use that particular formula, and how to perform your complex task in a simple manner, right? So that is the first advantages if you use the Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel, right? The second one is convert data into Microsoft Excel, CSV, PDF and chart and graphs format, right? If you have a data, you can convert that data into the Microsoft Excel format or CSV, PDF, whatever format you want, you can ask to Chat GPT and it will convert within 1 second, right? So that is the second advantages if you use the Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel, right? The third one is generating report and summarize from data. It means that if you want to summarize your data, right, you can ask the Chat GPT and it will summarize your large set of data in a simple manner, right? So that is the third advantages, generating reports and summaries from data. For an example, if you have a financial statement such as a balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement, and you can upload into the Chat GPT and you can ask the report. For an example, please summarize the financial strength and weakness of the particular organization, right? It will write and it will answer your questions, right? And based on your financial statement, it will give the summary to you, right? So this is the advantages, this is the one of advantages, that is the generating reports and summaries from data. Fourth one is troubleshooting errors and formulas and process, right? It means that if you face some problem to write the formula, or if you put the wrong formula and you don't know how to write the correct formula, At the time, you can ask to Chat GPT and it will give the solutions to you, right? So that is the 4th advantages. The 5th advantage is 24 hours and 7-day availability for formulas and function assistant. It means that the Chat GPT, it can work 24 hours and 7 days, right? If you have an internet connection, you are able to access in 24 hours and 7 days to ask any kind of help or assistance related with the Microsoft Excel and or any other kind of problem, and you can ask to Chat GPT and it will give the solutions to you, right? The 6th advantages is customizable response based on specific Excel task. It means that if you have a special project, right? If you have a special project and you need to find out the VBA code and or any other functions and formula to solve the particular problem or project, so you can ask the Chat GPT and it will give the solution. It will read your problem and it will give the specific VBA code or specific formula to solve your problem, right? That is the customizable response based on a specific Excel task, right? So in a particular project or particular problem in Excel, you can ask to Chat GPT and it will give the solution for you, right? So that is the customizable responses based on a specific Excel task. The 7th advantages is that improves productivity by providing quick solution. It means that if you have any problem or doubt related with the Microsoft Excel, you just ask that within 1 minute or within 30 seconds, it will give the solution for you, right? It's a very powerful and very quickly you can get the solution from Chat GPT. Now we are going to look at that. What are the limitations of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users? It means that what are the disadvantages of Chat GPT, right? So Chat GPT may not always provide accurate or up-to-date Excel knowledge. It means that if you not provide the correct instruction, it will provide you a wrong solution or wrong informations, right? At the time, it's useless, right? So that is the first disadvantages. The second disadvantages is limited understanding of complex, highly customized Excel workflow. It means that if you are going to be work with a large project in Microsoft Excel, at the time you need to be explained step by step and a complete manner. Otherwise, it will not give the correct solution for you. That is the second disadvantages. That is a limited understanding of complex and a highly customized Excel workflow, right? Requires clear, precise input to provide useful output. It means that if you want to get the correct solution or correct answer, you need to give the correct questions or correct instructions. Otherwise, you cannot get the required answer, right? If you not provide the correct instruction or question, you are not able to get the perfect answer from the Chat GPT. That is the third disadvantages. The fourth one is it has a limited knowledge. It means that Chat GPT does not have a up-to-date knowledge. So it has a limited knowledge. Based on the limited knowledge, it will provide the answer for you. That is the fourth disadvantages. All right. The final and the fifth disadvantages is we can't upload confidential document of the organization. It means that we can't upload the confidential document into the Chat GPT because this is the third party. So that is the fifth disadvantages of Chat GPT for Microsoft Excel users. The final one is Chat GPT account types. There are two types of accounts available. The first one is a free account. The other one is Chat GPT Plus, that is a paid version. So we are going to be differentiate 7 major features. The first one is model access. The free account GPT 3.5, but Chat GPT Plus is GPT 4. Speed and performance. The speed and performance is a standard in a free account, but Chat GPT Plus is a fast response and priority access. The availability, based on the availability, the free account it may be limited during the higher demand period, but Chat GPT Plus is always available even during the peak time. If we compare with the cost, the free account is a free, but Chat GPT Plus, the paid version, we need to be paid monthly $20. And advanced features in the free account, basic capable only its work, that means like GPT 3.5, but Chat GPT Plus it's a GPT 4, that is enhanced capability, right? And users, the free account, everyday queries and tasks you can solve, but Chat GPT Plus you can find out the solution, more complex task, a better performance, right? And the final one is best for the free account, best for general users and casual tasks, but Chat GPT Plus is best for power users, professionals users and complex use cases, right? Advanced features it has. Alright, so these are the major difference between free account and Chat GPT Plus.